Hello everyone. Let's start the do worksheet chapter 8 rural livelihood worksheet number 21. Everyone please write down your name, class, section, roll number and date. First MCQ, a mean of securing the necessities of life known as option A catamaran, B weeding, C livelihood and D transplanting. Yes, please raise your hand. Yes, check.
Ma'am, livelihood. C.
Yes, option livelihood is the right option. Option C. Next, low down your hand, Chehek. A sum of money that is borrowed, known as A, tax, B, loan, C, sowing, and D, debit. Yes, Saksham Sharma.
Ma'am, B. Loan.
B, loan. It's a sum of money that is borrowed. Yes. Third MCQ. Farming on hill slopes is called option A, harvesting, B, yielding, C, migrating, and D, terrace farming. Yes, Tanishq.
Ma'am, terrace farming.
Option terrace farming. Terrace farming, the farming which is this activity, this kind of farming go on hill slopes. Build on hill slopes. Chemicals used for killing rats and insects known as pesticides, weedicides, insecticides, or fungicide. Fungicides, yes, Bhuvi.
Pesticides.
Pesticides, yes. Now, question 2. State whether the following statement are true or false. Have a look, everyone. First, big farmers are also called landless farmers. So those are those are known as big farm in the village. They don't have land. It's mean. Yes, Sharvi.
Ma'am, false.
It is false. Catamaran is a small boat used for fishing. True or false? Yes, Kanishka. Catamaran is a small boat used for fishing. It is true. Next, transfer of plants from one field to another field is called weeding. Yes, Aditya Biswas.
Yes, ma'am. Transfer of plants from one field. Transfer of plants from one field to another field is called weeding. Ma'am, it's true.
It is false. It is called transplanting.
Okay, ma'am.
Winnowing is a non-farming activity. Winnowing होता है छानना, kind of separate the grain from branch. Yes, it is true. It is non-farming. No, it is farming activity, not non-farming. It is false. Winnowing is a farming activity. Is a process. Now, under proceed, filling the blanks. Agricultural labors are also called as farmers. Most of the people in the village are dash. Yes, Tira?
I'm Bhuvi.
Huh?
Poor.
Most of people in the village are
Poor.
agricultural laborer. In India, 80% of farmer are dash farmers. Which type of farmer? Yes, Charvi? Small farmers. The act of cutting and gathering crop is called as Charvi Jain. Act of cutting the crop and gathering crop is known as sowing, weeding,
Harvesting.
harvesting. Yes. The crop can also ruin if the dash does not bring enough rain. Which does not bring enough rain? Yes, Shahek.
Ma'am, monsoon.
Monsoon does not bring enough rainfall. Match the item in column A with those in column B. Column A and column B. First, different ways of earning living in rural area. Living in rural area. Yes, Sunny?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Different way earning living in rural area.
Ma'am, see rural livelihood.
Yes, see rural livelihood. Yes. Next, a sum of money that is borrowed known as Suhan Khan. Sum of money that borrowed. If the person is required to borrow the money that from bank, तो क्या कहते हैं उसको? It is known as find out the answer. Migration, pesticides, rural livelihood or loan?
Ma'am,
Speak out.
loan.
Loan. Answer is loan. Next, the movement of large number of people from one place to another known as, yes, Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Movement of large number of people from one place to another known as?
Ma'am, ma'am, B.
No, A, migration. Movement of people from one place to another known as migration. A chemical used to kill pests known as Saksham.
B, pesticides.
Pesticides. Yes. So you can mark 4, 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. Which crop is grown in Kalpattu village in Tamil Nadu? Yes, Aditya Biswas. Yes, Harsh.
Hello.
Ma'am, the crop grown in Kalpattu, the main crop
Ma'am,
which
paddy
is grown
crop.
in
Ma'am,
Kalpattu village is paddy crop, which is also called rice.
Yes. Why do farmer migrate in a particular season? Hurry up, everyone, please find out the answer. Why do farmers migrate in a particular season? Yes, Thira. Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because in the season in which the people migrate, uh, that season also has many crops grown in that season. For that crops, many people migrate in a particular season.
The people migrate from to particular in a particular season because to find the area to better job, because that season the farmer don't have work on field. Okay, that is known as lean season. So to earn money they move to the another place.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next, when do we say the farmer are caught in debt? When do we say the farmer are caught in debt? Yes, Chehek, Charvi. Yes, Charvi. Chehek.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the farmer can be caught in debt when they have took a loan and they are not able to pay back their loans, so that we can say that the farmers caught in debt.
Next, during which time do fish breed? During which time fish breed? During which time do fish breed? They breed during the monsoon season. Who is an agricultural labor? How is he different from a farmer? Agricultural labor, those work on other field like Tulasi, Shekhar, those work on other field, and they Tulasi like the farmer who does not have their own land, so they work. She work on another field. What operation are involved in working on farm? Which kind of operation? Processes like sowing, weeding, planting, harvesting, uh, or prepare the soil, etc. What other activity are performed by village people apart from farming? So give me the non-farming work. Yes, Chehek.
Ma'am, some non-farm work can be making baskets, utensils, pots, bricks, and bullock carts, etc.
Okay. What is tsunami? How does it affect the daily life of fishermen? Yes, tsunami is a harbor wave, huge wave, which cause great destruction. It ruined the life of fisher folk. It also destroyed their habitats. During the recent tsunami, the coastal region was completely destroyed, devastated. The fishing family lost their habitat and livelihood. I hope everyone has written down the answers on the sheet.